In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Facebook Marketplace. Even though Marketplace doesn't offer a dedicated tags field, you can achieve the same result by placing the right keywords in the right places. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that so your listing shows up for more buyers and in more searches. Start by opening Facebook and heading to Marketplace. From there, create a new listing or open an existing one to edit. The first place to tag your item is the title. Keep it clear and descriptive, and pack it with the words people actually search. Instead of a short, vague title like curler, use something like automatic hair curler ceramic for long hair. Notice how that title includes the product type, the key feature, and the intended use. Front load your strongest terms, avoid fluff, and keep it easy to scan. Next, move to the description. This is where you reinforce those keywords naturally. Work in product variations, standout features, and real-world use cases all in complete sentences. For example, hair curler for long and short hair, easy to use, perfect for daily styling. Add details buyers care about, like heat settings, material, or power type, but keep it readable. Think about what someone might type into the search bar and make sure those phrases are present without turning the description into a wall of keywords. Now choose the most accurate category. Category works like a powerful tag in Facebook's system, helping your item appear in the correct filters and feeds. If your item fits multiple areas, pick the one that best matches how buyers would browse for it, and avoid dropping it into a random category just to get exposure. Misplaced items often get ignored. If attributes are available for your category, fill them out thoroughly. Fields like brand, condition, and size act as structured keywords that boost search visibility. Accurate attributes not only help you surface in more filters, they also build buyer trust. Include location keywords in your title or description to improve local discovery. A simple note like, available in Batangas, Lipa area, can help nearby shoppers find you faster. Keep it general. City or area is enough. Finally, use synonyms to cover different ways people describe the same item. For instance, you might naturally mention hair curler, curling iron, and hair styling tool within your title and description. Blend these terms into normal sentences so your listing reads well while capturing more searches. Publish your listing with confidence and you're set. These placements work together like tags, helping your item reach the right buyers.